RTP Entertainment presents Vishal and Shekhar, the Super Hit Tour live in Raleigh on Sunday, 19th July 2026. Hello and welcome to another very special edition of the Radio Naira podcast. Today we have with us a voice, a composer, a performer, and an artist whose energy is simply impossible to ignore. From Das Bahane to Dhoom Again, Desi Girl, what not, Jhume Jo Patan. His voice and music have been part of some of the biggest moments in India cinema and soundtrack of the entire generation. As one of the half of the iconic musical duo Vishal Shekhar, and Vishal is here. He has helped create unforgettable music across decades. And as a singer and live performer, he brings an electrifying energy that audience around the world have experienced and love. Welcome to Raleigh. Welcome to America, Vishalji.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
It's an absolute pleasure to have you on Radio Naira, and this is one and only Vishal Dadlani. If I have pronounced it right, Vishalji. Everyone knows Vishal Shekhar.
Pronounced it perfectly, man.
All right. So Vishalji, let's start with the journey. You have created this soundtrack to so many people's lives. When you look back at this incredible journey, which song do you feel changed your whole, the own life the most?
I think the one that really changed our lives is Tu Aashiki Hai
Tu
from
Aashiki.
Jhankar Beats.
Oh wow.
That's the one that really started our career. So we did Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi before that.
Mm-hmm.
Those songs did well, but nobody knew us. But Tu Aashiki Hai gave us an identity. It gave us recognition.
Mm-hmm.
People started giving us more and more film work and a lot of love. So we were very grateful for that song, and that song was definitely a watershed moment in our life.
Wonderful. Wow. That's amazing. So before all the blockbuster films and massive stages, was there one particular moment where you first thought, yes, music is going to be my life?
Yes, I can tell you exactly the date also.
Uh-huh.
It was the 14th of June 1993,
Wow.
and I played, just by chance, my first ever concert in my life.
Mm-hmm.
And when I came off the stage, I had never felt so alive before. So I went up to my dad, who was in construction and who was hoping that I would join his business. And I told him, Dad, I think I'm a musician and I want to do this with my life. And he asked me a very important question, which I encourage all parents to ask their children. He said, Are you good at it? I said, I think so. He said, okay, try it. Go for it. And then after that, my father and my mother have been my strongest support throughout. So that day changed my life.
That's so wonderful that you have very supporting parents, and everyone should have.
Yes, I advise all parents, in fact, whoever's listening to this, please, when your kid comes to you with something that you think is what a ridiculous career this is, let them try it. It'll be fun. And you never know, they might surprise you.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Vishalji, you and Shekhar have been creating music together for more than 2 decades now, right? And what do you...
25 years, 26 years to be exact.
Oh my God, okay. Wow, that's very long years now. Well, what do you think has kept this creative partnership so strong for so long?
Honestly, I think space. We give each other space. We're not in each other's face all the time. We have very strong individual identities.
Mm-hmm.
Shekhar is Shekhar Ravjiani. My name is Vishal Dadlani.
Yes.
We are known on our own as well, apart from Vishal and Shekhar.
Right.
And I think that's very, very important for any partnership. I think it's very important that the two individuals should be strong and complete individuals on their own.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's part of the secret. And of course, mutual respect for each other's talent and ability. That's important.
Right, right. I mean, you both have different musical personalities. What is something that, Shekhar brings to your music that you feel you could never bring on your own?
Shekhar, look, I don't know anything about music. I'm just, I always say I'm on a journey. I'm learning, I'm discovering every day. I don't have any grounding in music, so I'm not bound by any rules. I'm not bound by any style or anything. I just enjoy myself. Whereas Shekhar is a much more studied musician. I wish I had that ability. He's a classically trained vocalist. He's a classically trained pianist. He's got great depth as a musician and a composer. You know, so I learn from him every day.
Wow, that's so good to know. Well, so after working together, like, can Shaker now tell immediately when you don't like an idea or even before you say anything? ऐसा कभी होता है कि नहीं ऐसा
हाँ
नहीं वैसा
अपना
नहीं?
ऐसा ही होता है.
Okay.
ऐसा ही होता है. I don't have to say I don't like it, or he doesn't have to say he doesn't like it. We know अरे तेरे को नहीं जमाना, चल next.
Oh wow, that's a good understanding. In fact, you know, when you're working like together, like it's not like one brain is working here.
Yeah. Even on stage, when you see us, you'll see us. See, we do some of the most high energy live shows that any Bollywood actor has ever done anywhere in the world. Okay? And even in the middle of all that, when we are communicating with each other, we don't have to really talk. You just have to look at the other person and they know what you're thinking.
Correct. Right.
You know, it's like that.
Okay. Well, if we talk, you said Jhankar Beats is something which made you this, right? So from Jhankar Beats and, you know, Om Shanti Om, Chennai Express, so you have been continuously evolved in this. And how do you stay relevant to the new generation, abhi jo aa rahi hai, you know, without chasing what is trending? How do you stay like that, relevant to it?
Ma'am, I think the key is not to try to stay relevant or anything like that. The key is to make music that you love.
Right.
That's all.
Yeah. Vishalji, you can call me Vaishnavi. Please don't call me ma'am.
Okay, Vaishnavi ji. I think the key is to make music that you are honest about, that you mean, that you enjoy, and that has a place in the film for a reason.
Huh.
You know,
Sorry.
if there's a story that people love and your music elevates that story, you've done your job.
Right. So among all these songs, मतलब इतने सारे गानों में आपका जो मतलब सॉन्ग सक्सेस आपको जिसने सरप्राइज कर दिया हो कि ये गाना तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था, you know, ऐसा कोई गाना आपको सरप्राइज कर दिया हो, आपका बनाया हुआ?
हाँ, बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं. I can tell you, for example, there's a song in Golmaal. In Golmaal, there's a song. क्यों आगे पीछे डोलते हो भंवरों की तरह, क्यों देखते हो मुझको यूं बेसब्रों की तरह. Now, in the film also, it was a joke, like a flashback sequence. We also made it like that in that old style and so on and so forth. And we never knew that for so long it would become a reference point. कि देखो ऐसे पुराने गाने ऐसे हो. Some people actually think this is an old song.
Right.
You know. And for, again, Golmaal was in, I think, 2008 or 9 or 10 maybe, I don't know. So for 15-16 years, this song has been around and it's been going around and we've been hearing it back and forth. You hear it on reality shows, you hear it here and there. I had never expected this song to stick around.
Okay.
We thought it was a joke कि फिल्म में आएगा लोग हंसेंगे बस खत्म हो गया. It became an actual song and people actually have real love for it.
Absolutely.
In fact, Javed Saab told me that one of the most unique rhymes he has ever heard is this, that Kumar had written the song and that he wrote this Besabron ki tarah and rhyming it with Bhavron ki tarah. He said, I've never heard this rhyme before, it's beautiful.
Wow.
So that says a lot, yeah.
Okay, so when you create music for stars like Shah Rukh Khan ho gaye ya fir Hrithik Roshan, you know, do you hear the song purely as you know, music first hota hai ya fir you already imagine ki, you know, how that particular star will bring it to life on screen? Aisa hota hai, kya decide hota hai pehle?
For us, it's a Vishal and Shekhar song.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Okay.
They have to adapt to the song.
So
नहीं तो अगर हम उनके लिए एक्टिंग करेंगे तो वो हमारे लिए म्यूजिक बना ले फिर. You know what I'm saying? Our job is to make the music and their job is to deliver the music on screen to the people. So I think we stick to our lanes.
Yes, absolutely. Wow. So I mean, you are both a composer and singer. So when you hear a new composition, you know, how do you decide ki I should sing this one versus choosing another voice?
It's not really a decision. It just happens actually.
Okay.
कभी-कभी ऐसे लगता है माइक उठाओ और गा दो तो कर लेते हैं. ऐसा है.
Acha. Okay. All right. And you know, so
the thing is, you know, I think everybody thinks there's a lot of thinking and planning that goes into all this. but you have to understand it's music.
Right.
Our job is to have fun.
Hmm.
Everything is changeable. There are no methods. There's no fixed rule. There's no anything can happen on any day, and that's the way it stays fun.
Right. या मतलब आपके गानों से ऐसा नहीं लगता है इट इज़ एनीथिंग, देयर मस्ट बी सम, ऐसा होगा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रैटेजी बनी होगी उसके पीछे, ऐसा लगता है वो गानों में जो एनर्जी होती है.
बिल्कुल ही नहीं. We just have a good, when you see us on stage you realize how much fun we have. That's all we do. We have a good time. We make sure we our audience is having a good time. We make sure that the songs are justified. And they are presented properly in a way that everyone goes home feeling the high of the show.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it's the same with making music for a film also.
Wonderful. So Vishal ji, people see this, incredibly energetic Vishal on stage. So who is Vishal when there is no stage, no audience, या फिर कोई म्यूजिक बज नहीं रहा है, तो क्या है मतलब? What are you? What is Vishal?
मैं वही हूँ. मैं वैसा ही हूँ. स्टूडियो में भी वैसे ही हूँ. पीछे रहता हूँ. बिल्कुल. The thing is, I only know how to be one person. I don't know how to be many people. How to explain it? I'm just having a good time, man. I'm just a kid with the opportunity to live the life of his dreams.
Oh wow! So I mean, like, इसका मतलब है कि जब आप perform, so do you still experience any kind of nervousness before walking onto a big stage? ऐसा कभी होता है?
Always.
Okay.
Always nervous, always hoping that it's going to be a great show. The pressure is always on us to make sure that it's a great show. And we try and we justify the faith. अब लोग टिकट लेके आ रहे हैं हमको देखने, तो we want to make sure that they go home feeling enriched by that experience.
Wow. आपकी जर्नी में आपने कभी ऐसे मतलब कोई किसी से आप मिले जो आपको याद रह गए, जैसे कि वाह क्या गाया था इन्होंने, या फिर हैज़ अ फैन एवर टोल्ड यू अ स्टोरी अबाउट वन ऑफ योर सॉन्ग्स एंड दैट कम्प्लीटली लाइक गेव यू अ थॉट प्रोसेस कि वाह क्या बताया इन्होंने मेरे गाने के बारे में?
एक्चुअली अभी कुछ दिन पहले किसी ने एक मीम नहीं, क्या बोलते, एक इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट डाली थी अबाउट अ सॉन्ग दैट वी डिड इन कहानी. Kahani was a film made by Sujoy Ghosh starring Vidya Balan and it was set in Calcutta.
Yes.
और हमने उसके लिए गाना बनाया था अमी शोत्ती बोलची. Okay. और उसमें हमने क्या किया था, हमने सुजॉय के फ्रेजेस जो वो बोलता है, सुजॉय घोष इज डायरेक्टर, वो लेके हमने गाना बनाया था. और शोत्ती बोलची इज आल्सो हिज फ्रेज एंड a lot of the things that are in the song are basically हम लोग जो स्टूडियो में मस्ती करते हैं हमने उसको उसमें डाला. and whatever little we know about Kolkata, whatever lot we know about Kolkata, we put it into the song. But जिसने एनालाइज किया उसने ये देखा कि इस गाने में उन्होंने फिल्म की पूरी प्लॉट को एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. देखो पहले वो ये कहते हैं, फिर वहां जाके ये होता है, फिर ये कहते हैं वहां, और हमने कसम से बनाते वक्त बिल्कुल सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा. This is pure, it happened by pure coincidence. And we were like, ये भी क्या कमाल है यार. If someone has an outside perspective, they see layers in your work that you never saw only.
I agree. Yeah. ऐसा मतलब गानों से स्टोरी टेलिंग एक्चुअली लाइक वी से एवरग्रीन सॉन्ग्स, पुराने गाने अगर देखते हैं हम, सो देयर ऑलवेज हैज बीन अ स्टोरी टेलिंग. उसमें कहानी होती है, ऐसा हो रहा है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आपने कहानी में जो गाना आपने बताया, इवन आई हैव हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग एंड या एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन रिलेट इट कि किस तरीके का पसंद आता है लोगों को व्हेन इट इज अ स्टोरी टेलिंग इन सॉन्ग.
Good. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad the person who put that post up also likes it. Very grateful for all of that.
Absolutely. Well, अगर हम बात करें, which song by, I mean, I don't know how would you take this question, but I want to ask this. So, which song by another Indian composer, have you heard and thought, I wish I had made that? ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
So many, but there are so many. But I always say that I wish. So for me, the Kalank ka title track made by Pritam is one of the greatest songs of all time.
Okay. Wow.
And I really, really wish I had composed that. It's such a beautiful song.
Wonderful. Wow. This is a very down to earth statement which you said कि ऐसे usually I have never heard talking to a people like who says that मुझे इनका अच्छा लगा being in the same that's really amazing to know from you.
मैम ये सब हमारे दोस्त हैं. What do you mean? We grew up together. Pritam, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, us, Salim Suleiman,
जी.
We all literally we came up together at the same time. We have all collaborated. We have all learned from each other. We've all grown up together literally.
Wow.
सबसे प्यार है, सबसे दोस्ती यारी है. ऐसा मतलब I have sung for Shankar. Shankar has sung for us. Salim has sung for us. I have sung for Salim so many times. Ehsan has played guitar on on Tararampam. There's a song called Saiya Ve, I mean we have with Pritam I've sung so many songs. He even Pritam even sometimes calls me when he needs advice on what to do about his taxes.
Beautiful. Wow.
We are actually all of us are friends. We've all grown up together.
That's amazing. Recently in Raleigh there was a Shankar Mahadevan show as well. I think it was last month. Yeah, it was amazing.
Last month was it?
Yeah, I think it was last month. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was amazing. Yeah.
I mean, I spoke to Shankar 2 days ago. We are doing something when I get back in September. We are doing something together again.
Okay. Wow. My next question was like it's similar. Like I was just about to ask, is there a brilliant unreleased song somewhere, which is there yet to come, and people would.
There are lots.
Uh-huh.
But with Shekhar and me, we don't mine our past ideas for future ideas. We
Okay.
make new ones. Whenever there's a new project, we make new songs. We don't go back to the past and देखें क्या बचा कुचा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. हम छोड़ देते वो, आगे बढ़ो.
Wonderful. Wow. So if we talk about the future of music and the AI, and like AI can now create melodies, lyrics, even replicate voices. Someone who has always call it experimentation. So does this new era excite you or challenge your creativity? How do you see it?
It's definitely going to be challenging.
Mm-hmm.
It's also going to be exciting. I've many times I've called AI the synthesizer of the modern age.
Wow.
When synthesizers came out that could play drums and record strings and have horns, everything in one keyboard, there was a huge fear among musicians that we will lose work, and they did lose work because of it.
Okay.
A lot of live musicians lost their livelihood because of that. But people who were innovative and people who were able to adapt to the technology, they grew.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like the same thing will happen here. All technology is a tool.
Yeah.
It all depends on how you use it. So what I foresee is that people who need music purely for commercial reasons,
Right.
whether it be advertising, whether it be films, whether it be television, AI will become their primary source of music because it's cheap, it's immediate, it's on your phone or it's on your computer, and immediately you can get what you want. You can get 10 options, faster than any human can provide them. So people will start making commercial music will become AI driven. But because of that, artists will have no choice but to make music for their own personal expression. For the personal, so every artist will be saying what they truly mean, and that can only be very, very good for music.
Absolutely.
An artist will stand out when what they say has something that connects with people at a larger basis. Artists will also be the face of their own music. They'll be the sound, their voice will be their own. They won't be giving it to other people. So I think all of that will change. The business of music will change, but music as a form of expression and as a form of connection between two people, whether an artist and a listener, that will always remain.
I think the human element in music will always remain. I think technology will not be able to reproduce it.
As long as you are able to adapt, as long as you are able to understand that, how. So I'm going to say something a little controversial here. Please forgive me. But in the you'll always, if you talk to any senior musicians from an earlier time, you'll always hear them saying, "Aajkal to ye hota hai, aajkal to wo hota hai," with a sense of like it's not as good as when we used to do it. If you can stay away from that, you'll survive. If you become like that, you will perish.
Correct.
मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ जो लोग आजकल ऐसे करके बात करते हैं ना, वो हमेशा कल में रह जाते हैं और आज आगे बढ़ जाते हैं.
Yeah.
You have to evolve. That's the important thing.
Yeah. So Vishalji, you are coming to Raleigh and with Shekhar, of course, on July 19th. So there is tremendous excitement here in Raleigh.
Oh, I'm so glad.
What can Raleigh expect when Vishal Shekhar take the stage?
So Raleigh can expect all the songs that they have loved for the last 25 years. And they can expect a visual spectacle that they have never seen before. they can expect energy that they have never felt from a Bollywood act before or from a film act, Indian film act before. I promise you, nobody puts up a stage show like Vishal and Shekhar. When you guys come to the show, bring your dancing shoes because your feet are going to hurt at the end of the thing. You are going to lose your voices because you're going to be singing along with us through the entire show for 3 hours. For us, the show is as much your show as it is our show. The audience is the star of our show, you know. And the love that we have received, we like to return it to them, and we like to take a whole new bank of love back from our live audience.
Absolutely, Vishalji. I totally agree. Well, without revealing too much about the set list, is there one moment in this show where you think, Rali, just wait until you experience this live?
There are honestly the entire show is like that. I know any artist will say that about their show, but our entire show is crafted to be like that. You will constantly be surprised, you will constantly be amazed, and you will constantly be thrilled.
All right. Well, we all are waiting, Vishalji, for this amazing concert on July 19th. So, for Raleigh people, for Raleigh Durham people, what would Vishalji and of course Shekharji personally say to them, for all the Radio Naira listeners?
To all the Radio Naira listeners, I want to say, please come. We want to meet all of you. We want to see all of you. We want to hear you sing. We want to dance with you. We want to experience Raleigh through you. So please come, share your love with us, and enjoy yourself in a way that, you know, I promise you, you've never seen a concert like this before. So come and enjoy it.
Wonderful. So before we close this podcast, there is a rapid fire, if I may ask you, Vishalji.
Go on.
Okay. One Vishal Shekhar song you never tired of performing.
I love all of them. Why would I get tired of performing any of them? I literally love all of them. We perform all our best songs. But I think sometimes when I perform something like Dil Diyan Gallan, you know, because that's rare. It only happens sometimes.
Yeah.
It just happens. You know, it always feels special.
Okay. Well, the song that gets the loudest audience reaction.
Oh, that has to be either Das Bahane or Chammak Chalo.
All right. Das Bahane is an amazing song, Vishalji. I love that song.
Thank you so much.
Well, recording studio or live concert?
What's the difference? It's one ocean, ma'am. I'm just living in it.
Wow, Vishalji, I can really sense it that you are you are music.
I mean, I live in it. I'm not music. I'm a very grateful recipient of music. I just sit there and let it wash over me. That's all. I live my life in music.
Lovely. Well, describe Shekhar in one word.
Man, I have so many words for it. Pure.
Wow. Describe your fans in one word.
Again, so many words. Magic.
Wonderful, Vishalji. Thank you so much for joining us on Radio Naira podcast. It's been an absolute pleasure having you with us, and we can't wait to experience the energy of Vishal Shekhar live in Raleigh on July 19th by RTP Entertainment. Thank you so much, Vishal ji.
बहुत to meet you there. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I'm so honored to talk to you, sir. Thank you so much,
I'm
Vishal
so happy.
ji.
Please meet me for sure on the 19th. I would love to meet you in person.
Thank you, Vishal.
You're coming to the show, I hope, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you, Vishal ji. See you there. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.